Hello everyone. What would you do if you encountered those crazy drivers who wanted to fight? Retaliatory cutting-offs, shouting, and violent collisions await you. This isn't just driving, it's a battle for survival. Don't look away, the video starts now.
Whoa, calm down, bro.
Every car should have a dash cam to be prepared for any unfortunate situation.
Basically undecided if they voted would end up on
Going
balance
for the status quo.
status quo
Yes.
because it's the less risky option. That's happened almost everywhere, and that didn't happen either.
Because it didn't feel like a status quo, oddly,
No.
did it? I mean, that was one of the great victories of the snake oil salesman, is that it felt like a kind of a temporary aberration by the time they finished their administrations, rather than actually the best available system.
Yes, and I think the failure of the Remain campaign was that we didn't give people sufficient clarity.
Deal with that picture we just did.
Oh no, nothing in this video looks like an accident at all. The guy in the red car clearly wanted to pick a fight with the silver car from the start.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? What's that, a hammer?
Looks plastic. I don't think it's plastic.
Holy shit. Dude's nuts. I recorded everything, dude.
This guy needs to learn to control his anger. It seems the girl is already used to this kind of behavior.
What, bitch? What, bitch?
Karma comes quickly. You must have seen his flat tire after his crazy stunt, right? There's so much crazy stuff out there. They're either incredibly brave or incredibly stupid to get out of their cars and confront other people. After a lengthy argument on the road, both cars left and the police were called. A report was filed, and the author is awaiting further developments. When someone crazy blocks your way, the best thing to do is to run away.
Guys yelling and screaming at me. There he goes. Dude, psychopathing. He's still yelling and screaming. He's gonna kill me.
It's ridiculous. They argued fiercely until they realized they were friends.
Tangano buti tan relogo ito.
The best course of action when encountering street rioters is to flee.
Whoa, calm down, bro. Yo!
It seems that street fights often end with pepper spray. He will soon be punished by the law. Both cars are incredibly angry. Road rage gone wrong.
They're just getting at the side and I flip them off. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, there they go.
Here, freedom is yours, but every action has its weight.
Did she hit your car?
Yeah, they kicked my car.
Okay.
We have a picture of the license plate.
No. She beat the shit out of my car. Kicked my car.
Oh my God, Beth.
I know, I'm videotaping this shit.
Dad, look at this shit.
It's not us. We're
she
good.
Hit the car. She hit his car, and now they're driving like. Beth, get away! Get away!
Micah!
Fucking knife.
Unsuccessful road rage. Looks like she has a bad case of the cunts. It's terrifying. These hotheads will sooner or later pay a heavy price. Driving calmly is the mark of a true professional. Please support me by subscribing to the channel. Want to see how the troublemaker gets dealt with?
Calm down,
The next video on your screen will give you the answer. Watch now.